yesterday I spoken to him. I checked this morning. Have you do that? No, sir, I haven't. There's always student like that. Yeah. Okay, this is the white space schedule. Yeah. 9 October we don't have last week, yeah, because they have Cambridge briefing. And then 16 October, which is now department meeting number 1, yeah. And then we follow 23rd October next week, department meeting 2, and then 30th of October, interdepartmental sharing and learning. I think this one is all department, I think, yeah. Because this is sharing interdepartment, this is by Mr. Taufik and Indrajit. So I don't know how they're gonna do it. I think they are preparing. The topic is our best practice towards academic excellence. Yeah, I think they will share with us a good strategy how to push the achievement of our student. Yeah, item to discuss this term, mostly is number 1 is reflection. How did the department perform? What could have been done better? Term 2 event. Do go through the event in term 2 to give your teacher sense of how this term will shape up. Reminder, coursework component. As usual, I always remind you that. And then setting of papers will be in advance. So please, anyone already have studied question papers? Come on, yeah. Okay. Bring the respective homeroom before 7:10. This is routine lah, ya. Reminder, if you are homeroom, please be with your class 7:10. I always walk and ask you, come on, let's go. It's about like 7:05. Let's go up, something like that. Because we want to minimize the problem like K, yeah. I heard that something else happened in your class. I don't know what is the detail. I don't think our class, especially Sec 1, is like naughty people, no. But maybe the situation is like tend to make the student do clique or gang or whatever you call it, because the situation is less contact, meaning very little time of contact between us as the homeroom with them. So that's why Miss Maureen highlight during the meeting that we have to be closer to our student during homeroom time. Mr. Surya mentioned like he still go around and check. Some teacher is just like sit down, on the chair in front of the class, then lets the student do whatever they do. Yeah. It's not the homeroom time situation that Mr. Surya or our school expected. What we want to have that homeroom mentors like discussing actively, maybe share with the student or ask whether the student has problem or not. What is the problem, and then find the solution together. Yeah, the teacher mentor with the student. And also maybe, I don't know lah, I think every teacher has his or her own style on how to get closer to the student. I leave it up to you how style that you want to apply. But the most important thing is the goal is we need to minimize the bullying problem. Yeah, we have to watch the situation. Yeah, and right now actually is odd meaning like this. Usually the troublemaker is like Sec 3, Sec 4, but now Sec 1, right? Meaning we we cannot think like my sec 1 is fine or my sec 2 is fine. No, anywhere you are, what level you are in, we must be firm to the student. At the same time, also friendly to the student. Firm meaning we like a bit straight, but at the same time also we yes.
Going student.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But additional, sir, homeroom is not only one person.
Yes.
Each class there's two homeroom.
Yes.
But it seems not everyone do their duty.
Okay.
So just make sure that both of the parties is there.
Attending, yeah.
Talk, because if one maybe not able to speak well, the other can support.
Yeah. Okay.
Because it seems that couple of sec 1 actually there is, sec 2 also. Every time I go around the class, only one. Thank you.
Okay. So I have checked sec 1B actually. Giselle and Hanwei are always there. Yeah. Sec 1D Pak Yudi mostly there because Bianca mostly always come late. I have spoken to Bianca many times that, but she's reply me problem of no, she's having the disease of hard to wake up from sleeping. Okay, today I will talk to her again. Sec 2B, I think no problem, yeah. Your partner always come with you together, right? In the homeroom time. Any other homeroom? You, yeah. Who's your partner? You both into the class, right? Okay, that's then no problem. Mr. Joe, sec 2D the partner. I think Althea okay also, yeah. Okay, Mr. Who's your partner?
Miss Bernardine.
Bernardine, okay lah. Any other homeroom? Are you homeroom? Mr. Indra, I think okay lah. Mr. Indra because Indra is an HOD of sec 3 level. Mr. Stanley. Okay, always go together.
Yes.
I think so. What level? Sec 4. Okay. So basically, in our department, I always go around like sometimes like sneaking through the door. There are activities, the two teachers with the class. So then I go back to my sec 1C. So regarding the cooperation of two homeroom mentors, I think we are okay. But what we want to highlight is, please do try to make the strategy on how we getting closer to the student, more friendly, more beneficial to the student. Yeah, I'll leave it up to you how the strategy. Yeah, we not expecting the homeroom just come inside, then sit down, then watch the student. Like okay, whatever you do, or like because in my sec 1C also, sir, can I do the homework? I reply, hey, homework meaning you do at home, not here, right? Now put aside your book. I want us to discuss any problem that you have encountered yesterday or last week. I always start with that. Or I remind them, remember, this is term 2. You will have activities, the school event, like for example, Sumpah Pemuda, Business Day, UN Day, and then Math and Science Day. I don't want any one of you being absent on the D-Day because I experienced my tiger got lost because 50% of my students not coming. Yeah, we are looking for the players. Oh, go around there, and Kebon Jeruk Kelapa Gading people also don't know the teacher, or even we don't know the teacher because there is no teacher in the field. I don't want things like that happen. Now, the management like this is we as the homeroom, as the adult in the classroom, we control the situation, not the student control us. Like if the sir, can I do the homework? No lah, no, homework is at home, right? Okay, except they have like a project that need to be presented the same day, like later on they need presentation. Sometimes I allow them, or they want to make a meeting